Well, hey there, Crafty Bestie. Thanks so much for stopping by and giving me a moment of your time today. I'm Abby, creator behind Abbi Kirsten Collections and Catching Color Flies Design. Now, I'll bet you landed here because you wish you knew how to design simple SVG files for yourself or convert personal images into SVG files for your craft projects. Well, you're in luck because I have spent the last 8+ years learning to design for myself, and now it's time for me to give back and to teach others how to do the same. Free the SVG is a proven skill-building program that guarantees to transform you into a confident SVG designer and will unlock creative freedom that 99% of other cutting machine owners lack. Inside Free the SVG, you will explore all of the basic fundamentals, step-by-step design along with me exercises, as well as how to convert your personal images into SVG files. Plus, several bonuses like my go-to clip art resources for a list of all the places I use for fast SVG file conversions. And I've even thrown in a craft seller starter guide for those who want to learn how to make money from their creations. Right now, you're at a crossroads. You can continue to purchase every SVG file and struggle with the personalization you crave, or you could decide right now that you can learn how to master Inkscape and photo conversions to give yourself the creative freedom you have been looking for. All you need is to be familiar with your cutting machine and own a cutting machine that is SVG compatible, such as a Cricut, a Silhouette, or a Scan and Cut. Aside from that, all you need is a little bit of willingness and patience to learn, and you will be well on your way to creative freedom in no time. I am no stranger to teaching. After selling 3 courses over the last 4 years and 3 best-selling books, I have collectively transformed more than 15,000 creators just like you into confident crafters and designers. Will you be the next one? I really hope so. I can't wait to see you on the other side.